Good morning, kababayan! If you're still looking for a condo property here in McKinley West, itutur ko kayo sa 2-bedroom unit ng Park McKinley West. By the way, this unit is 110 square meter, 43 million pesos. Payable siya into 3 years for installment and we give 20% discount for cash term buyer. So, tara! Check natin yung buong 110 square meter 2-bedroom unit. Let's go. So upon entering for this 2-bedroom unit from our main door, we will be greeted by our kitchen. So granite countertop na to. This is also included. Sink and faucet, soft close cabinets up and down, and then built-in microwave oven. And also, meron tayong 4 induction cooktop with range hood. So, assist na yan. Kasama na rin tong cabinets na to, up and down. For refrigerator, hindi siya kasama. Pero, meron tayong provision. Ang maganda dito guys sa kitchen na to is naka-bar type kitchen na. And, hindi siya naka-enclose. So, very spacious, maaliwalas pa rin. Nakikita pa rin natin yung living area. At the same time, nasa kitchen tayo. So, check naman natin yung extra room or maids area for this 2-bedroom area. So, this 2-bedroom unit has a storage or maids area na kasama with own toilet and bath. Ayan, meron na rin yan shower. Katabi lang siya ng kitchen. And then, this is our dining area. So, very spacious. Hindi tayo naguguluhan. Hindi magkaka-scrambled yung mga gamit. Meron talaga siyang designated area for our dining. And katabi lang na ito is our living area. And our living area has a access sa balcony. So, ang balcony na to straight connected sa main bedroom. And then, let's check the first bedroom. So, kung kayo ay family, meron kayong anak na isa or dalawa, this is ideal, no? Kahit 2-bedroom to, pwede nating lagyan ng partition in the future. By the way, may kasama na tong split type aircon pati sa living area. And yung walk-in closet natin. Kasama na rin yan. And guys, every room here ay may access sa balcony. So, hindi tayo maboboard. Yan. Kung nakikita nyo yung tiles, ganyan na siya pag tinurn over. Yan, homogeneous tiles. Check naman natin tong common toilet and bath. So, for the common toilet and bath, naka-motion sensor siya. And what you see is what you get na. So, floor-to-ceiling tiles, lavatory, mirror, and glass partition. Yan, ang napakaganda ng lababo nito. So, ayun, check naman natin yung master's bedroom. So, this is the master's bedroom. Napaka-spacious. Kasyang-kasya talaga yung queen size. And may access tayo sa balcony. So, itong unit na to, guys, this is already furnished. So, at least may idea na kayo. Kapag kumuha kayo ng unit, pwede nyo kopyahin yung ibang design. Like this. Linagyan niya ng open cabinet. So, check naman natin yung master's toilet and bath. And guys, ito yung walk-in closet niya. Ayan. Ito naman yung master's toilet and bath. So, ayan, napakaluwag, aliwalas. Mas maluwag siya sa common toilet and bath ng ×2. And our lavatory, and mirror. Kasama na rin yung toilet bowl. So if you are still in the market and looking for a retirement home here in the Philippines or Midway Home, nagustuhan nyo itong 2-bedroom ng Park McKinley West, this is a 43 million pesos. Located na tayo sa McKinley West. Hindi na tayo nalalayo sa BGC, Airport, Makati, and Pasig. So, everything is within our reach na. Sobrang lapit din natin sa international schools and offices sa BGC. Sa same time, St. Luke's Medical BGC. So, guys, if you are interested to this property, this is payable up to 36 months, 0 interest, no down payment required. We only need your ID, just a reservation fee of 60,000, deductible to its total contract price. So if you are interested, you can message me. I'm Christian Carino, your trusted property specialist here at The Fort. Bye-bye. See you.